Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the torch has sufficient recommended butane. Pour only through the fill port, do not overfill. Next, you inspect the nozzle, O-rings, and safety lock for damage, because leaks cause failure and hazards. Then, you set the safety selector to off, open ventilation, and clear flammable items. This prevents accidents. Once done, you position the torch on a stable surface, point it away from people, and engage the ignition. You should see a steady blue flame. You now adjust the flame control to match the task. Because heat concentration matters, turn the knob gradually and test on scrap material to confirm. For precision work, you hold the torch roughly 2 to 6 cm from the surface. For general heating, increase distance to 10 to 20 cm and move in steady strokes. Make sure to angle the torch so hot gases flow away from you, and pause periodically to check temperature. Consistent motion reduces scorch and warping. You finish by lowering the flame control and extinguishing the flame. Once it goes out, engage the safety lock and allow the torch to cool for 5 to 10 minutes because residual heat remains. Then, store the unit upright in a cool, ventilated spot and empty fuel for long-term storage. If the torch sputters or won't ignite, check for contaminated fuel, purge trapped air, tighten connections, and inspect the nozzle. If problems persist, replace seals or the tip before reuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.